Now we're going to look at some of the sounds that are made by the timbales. First, they're played with sticks, a little bit different from drumsticks. They're a straight round dowel. Now on the cascara, we'll talk about the cascara, is actually the shell of the drum, the outside of the drum. And that can be played either in the right or left hand. Then we have on top of the drum, we have an open tone played on the macho, and then we have a rim shot. We have open tone and closed tone on the hembra. So the open tone is a straight hit, take it off, and closed tone or muted tone is actually pressing into the drum and keeping it. Can also do that with my hand. Some timbale players tend to put their stick down and use their hand. I like to actually keep it in my hand. So we have a muted tone with our hand, and we have an open tone on the hembra with our hand. Looking at the percussion, we have the jam block, we have the mambo bell or salsa bell, and we have the cha-cha bell, and we have the cymbal.